Okay, so you might have to squint to see it, but right there is Pogo, right? That's my little bird. Dolly's over there. She might fly back over. But I have taught him to bob his head up and down while listening to music that he likes. You want to dance, Pogo? He might do it. He probably won't, but we'll see. Damn it. I don't know how well that'll show up on camera because he didn't do it the whole time, but you could see he had his moments where he was, because he's a little far away, and I feel like if I zoom in, it's not gonna look good. So I don't know.